Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we will start chapter 14. Let's do reasoning from your GK book. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct option. Raj runs faster than Kapil. Sandy runs faster than Raj. Here, Raj runs faster than Kapil and Sandy runs faster than Raj. So Sandy runs more faster than Raj as well as Kapil. So Kapil, here the third statement is Kapil runs faster than Sandy. So it's not possible as Sandy is run more faster than Raj and Kapil. So the statement is false. Tick the false option. If the two statement is correct are true, then the third statement is false. Now, number 4, Raju has less trucks than Sunil. Raju has more trucks than Bunty. Raju has less trucks than Sunil, but Raju has more trucks than Bunty. So the least number of trucks Bunty has. Then the third statement is true as Raju has less truck than Sunil. Here the Sunil has more truck than Raju as well as Bunty. So the less truck Bunty has. If the first two statements are true, then the third statement is also true. Now, tick the odd pair out of the group of pairs. Length centimeter, volume liter, time minutes, temperature thermometer. As the length, volume, time is given as the measuring unit, but it is given as the units, but temperature has been given as measuring instrument. So it is odd. Mark number D. Tick number D. D is the odd one. Here, number 6. Dog lives in kennel, lion den, horse stable. But cow here is given as calf, as calf is a baby of cow. So, mark number C, tick number C. C is the odd one. Now, logical sequence of words. Arrange the group of words in logical sequence. What comes first? Number 1, adult, infant, youth and kid. The following options are given. First is infancy stage. So, infant, then kid, then youth, then adult. So, 2, 4, 3, 1 is the correct option. Tick B, number B. Then here, doctor, medicine, fever, then prescription. So, the person will fell ill. So, first is the cause. Then, he gonna visit doctor. Then the third stage is prescription, then medicine. The doctor will prescribe the medicine. Then the person will take the medicine. Then he will get cure. So 3, 1, 2, 4. Fever, doctor, prescription and medicine. Then here number 6, word, sentence, paragraph, letter. Word, sentence, paragraph and letter. So first you have to collect the words, then you have to write the sentence, and with writing the more sentence become paragraph and then it becomes letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Word, sentence, paragraph, letter. Now number 8, marriage, death, birth, funeral. First birth, then marriage, then death, and then the last one is funeral. So 3, 1, 2, 4. Number 9, punishment, speeding, challan, traffic police. First is speeding. If you will make the vehicle speed, then the traffic police will catch you. Then he will put challan on you, then punishment. So 2, 4, 3 and 1. Now, give next for each of the following. First one I have already done for you. See here the square, in square there is circle, then the circle goes up, then again the same position, then up, then again in the same position. You have to repeat the same pattern. Now similarly number 2, you can see the arrow from the to the right side, then upward, then to the left side, then downward, then again to the right side. Okay, now see number 4. In the square there are 4 boxes. The square, there's 4 small squares. Then again the first square the pattern has been drawn. The first square, the same pattern in the second, the same pattern in the third, then the same pattern will be fourth, like this. Okay. Now chapter 15, brain teaser. Answer the following question. You will buy, you have to use your brain to give this answer. You will buy me to eat but never eat me. What I am? What am I? A plate. You can buy a plate but you can't eat it. Now, what can you catch but not throw? Cold can catch you but you can't throw it. You can catch the cold but you can't throw. Now, I have hands but can't clap. Who am I? Clock. Clock has hand but it can't clap. I have keys. Number 7. I have keys but no door. I have space but no rooms. I allow you to enter but you are never able to leave. What am I? Keyboard. Keyboard has key. Keyboard have key. Keyboard has space but no rooms. Keyboard have enter but you are never able to leave. What am I is keyboard. What is so delicate that saying its names breaks it is silence. What never asks question but is often answered. Doorbell. Doorbell never asks question, but when you knock someone's door, you have to use doorbell. So it is answered but never questioned. That's all for today. Complete till page number 24. We'll start new chapter in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.